Okay, open your IIT books, children. Page number 38. So we have completed first chapter, second chapter, number system and whole numbers. Okay. Now third one is BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule. What is called BODMAS rule? If you simplifying any number, any expression, you have to use BODMAS. Okay, BODMAS, BOD, B-O-D-M-A-S. B stands for bracket. B stands for bracket. O stands for off. Off means multiplication. Okay. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. Okay. A stands for addition. S stands for subtraction. Okay. So BODMAS rule. First we have to use bracket. First you should remove the brackets. Next off. Next division. Off means nothing but multiplication. Next one is division. M is multiplication. A is addition. S is subtraction. You got one doubt. O and M both are multiplication only. Which one you should do? That you have to do. See here. How can you read this one, children? 2 of 5. How can you read? 2 of 5. Okay. So 2 of 5, how can you write? 2 into 5. 2 5 10. Like that. Did you understand now? Otherwise, like this. 2 plus of minus 3. How can you read? 2 plus of minus 3. That means plus of minus 3. Did you understand? Of means multiplication. Okay. So, see the page number 38, children. BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule tells us the order in which simplification has to be done while solving the problem involving addition, subtraction, multiplication and division and use of brackets. The order is given by the word BODMAS, where B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Okay. Next, use of brackets. Brackets are grouping symbols which are used to separate various parts of an expression. There are 4 kinds of brackets. In these brackets, we are having 4 types of brackets. What are those, children? First one is vinculum. First one is vinculum. Vinculum is what one? This one. Bar is there, no? That is called vinculum. Vinculum. Okay, that is called vinculum. Next, another next bracket is small bracket. Small bracket. This one, small bracket. Okay. Next one is curly bracket. Curly bracket or flower bracket or any one. This is the curly bracket. Another one, square bracket. Square bracket. Okay. Vinculum means like this bar. Okay. Small brackets. These are small brackets. Curly bracket or flower bracket. Square bracket. Did you understand? First you should remove the bracket vinculum. First you should remove the vinculum and solve the problem. If the vinculum is not there, means next we should go to the small bracket. Okay. That one also solved means next you go to the curly bracket. Okay. That one also finished means you go to the square bracket. Okay. Like that you should remove the brackets. First one is vinculum. Next small bracket. Next curly bracket. Next square bracket. Okay. We can go to the example, then only you can understand now. Okay. See bracket symbol. This bar is equal to vinculum, or we call as bar bracket or line bracket. What do you call this one? Vinculum or bar bracket or line bracket you call. Okay. Next, small brackets, parentheses or circular brackets or small brackets or common brackets. Next, curly brackets or flower brackets or braces. Regular brackets, rectangular brackets, square brackets, big brackets. We call it is like that. Next, order to remove the brackets. While simplifying expression, the terms in brackets are considered as independent units and brackets are removed in following order. First one is remove vinculum. Second one, small bracket. Third one, curly bracket. Fourth one, square bracket. Okay. Now we are going to examples. Did you understand this BODMAS rule, ma? BOD means B means bracket, O means off, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, S means subtraction. In the brackets we are having four types of brackets. First one is vinculum, small bracket, curly bracket, square bracket. First you should remove the vinculum, next small bracket, next curly bracket, next square bracket. You should remove the simplification. Okay. Did you understand, ma? BODMAS rule? Now we are going to the examples using BODMAS rule. First one is simplify 18 minus square bracket 2 of minus 3 minus flower bracket 16 divided by small bracket 8 minus 10 minus 4 but close the curly bracket and square bracket. So here the problem is given. Now you have to solve this one. In this one we are having brackets are there. First what you should do? You should simplify in brackets. First you should simplify brackets. In the brackets we are having four types of brackets. First what you should remove? You should remove the vinculum. Where it is vinculum? Here. Okay. So you should remove this vinculum. Okay. So 18 minus square bracket 2 of minus 3 minus 16 divided by 8 minus. First you should remove this vinculum. Okay. So you should do this one first. 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 how much? 6. First you should solve the vinculum. So vinculum, what is the number? 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 how much? 6. Okay. So vinculum will be removed. Next, vinculum of the which one you should remove? Small bracket you should remove. So what is the small bracket? Here this is the small bracket. First you should remove that one. 18 minus 2 of minus 3 flower bracket 16 divided by small bracket you should remove now. So 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 how much children? 2. So we should remove the small brackets. Next, which bracket you should remove? Curly bracket, flower bracket. You should remove the curly bracket. So 18 minus 2 of minus 3 minus. Now you should remove the curly bracket now. In the curly bracket, what is that number? 16 divided by 2. How much 16 divided by 2? 8. Okay. Now close the square bracket. So vinculum removed, small brackets removed, curly brackets removed. Next, square bracket. This square bracket first you should remove. Okay. 18 minus 2 of minus 3 minus 8. That means what you should do here? 2 of minus 3. How much, ma'am? 2 of minus 3? Minus 6 minus 8. 2 of minus 3 is minus 6. 2 3 is minus 6. No. Okay. Now I should remove the square bracket. 18 minus minus 6 minus 8. How much minus 6 minus 8 children? Minus 14. Both are negative means you should add. But you should keep the symbol minus only. So minus 14. Minus 14. Why I am keeping here bracket? Because here minus symbol is there, no. That's why I am keeping here square bracket. So 18 minus of minus. Minus of minus how much? Plus 14. Plus 14. So remove the square brackets. Now 18 plus 14 how much? 8 plus 4, 12. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. What is the answer? 32 is the answer. Did you understand now? First you should remove the vinculum. You should solve first vinculum. 10 minus 4 is 6. Next, we should remove the small bracket. You can solve this one. 8 minus 6, how much? 2. Next, curly bracket. 16 divided by 2, how much? 8. Next, square bracket. In the square bracket, we are having how many operations? 1, 2. 2 operations. Okay, in the square bracket, we are having 2 operations. In the 2 operation of minus, subtraction. Which one you should do first? Of you should do first. Okay, 2 of minus 3, how much? Minus 6, minus 8. Okay, now 18 minus, minus 6 minus 8, how much? Minus 14. Next, 18. Now I should remove the square bracket. Minus of minus, plus 14. 18 plus 14, 32. Did you understand now? Next example. Minus 3 into minus 12 divided by minus 4 plus 3 into 6. So this is the question given here. So first what you should do? Come on, tell me. First what you should solve? Here small brackets are given but there is no operation, so you can't solve it. So which one you should do? Multiplication, division, addition, multiplication. Which one you should do first? Using BODMAS rule? Brackets, there is no brackets. Go, off, there is no off. D means division. Division is there, no? Okay, so first you should do minus 3 into minus 12. You should remove the brackets. Minus 3 into minus 12. Sorry. Minus 12 divided by minus 4. First you should division, no? Minus 12 divided by minus 4. How much? In the fourth table, how many times 12? 3 times. Both are negative means quotient will be positive. So 3. Okay. Next, plus 3 into 6. Now what you should do first? Multiplication, addition, multiplication. So here both are having multiplication. You should do first. Minus 3 into 3, how much? Minus 9. 3, 6, 18. Now, do the addition. 18 minus 9. How much? 9. 9 is the answer. Did you understand now? Next example, see. Find the value of 3640 divided by 14 into 16 plus 340. So in this one, what we should do first? We should do first division. Okay. So how much answer? 14 divided 3640 divided by 14 in the 14 table. 14 twos 28. 16 minus 8 8. Bring down 4. How many times? 6 times. 84 0. Bring down 0 0 times. So what is the quotient? 260. So 260 into 16 plus 340. Now, first what you should do? Multiplication or addition? Multiplication you should do first. So 260 into 60. How much? 16 0 0. 16 6. How much? 96. 16 to 32 plus 9. 41. So 4160 plus 340. Add these two. 0. 6 plus 4 10. 2 plus 3 5. So 4500 is the answer. Did you understand what? Next another example is there, see children. Two power 4 plus 16 minus 3 into 4 by 6 plus 3 square divided by 7 minus 4. So first what you should do? Come on, tell me. 2 power 4. 2 power 4 means how much? 2 2's 4, 4 2's 8, 8 2's 16. So 16 plus, we should solve in the first bracket. So in the bracket, subtraction is there, multiplication is there. Which one you should do first? Multiplication. Okay. So bracket 16 minus 3 into 4, how much? Minus 12 by 6 plus 3 square means how much? 9 divided by 7 minus 4. Okay, 16 plus 16 minus 12, how much? 4 by 6 plus 9. How much? 6 plus 9? 15 divided by 7 minus 4, how much? 3. So 16 plus 4, 20. 15 divided by 3, how much? 5. So 5, 4, 20. So what is the answer? 4 is the answer. Did you understand that? Next example, please. Two minus square bracket, 2 minus curly bracket, 2 minus 2 small brackets, 2 plus 2. So this is the sum. First what you should do, ma? First you should remove the small bracket. There is no vinculum. So you should solve the small bracket. So 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2. 2 plus 2, how much? 4. Okay, is equal to 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 of 4. 2 of 4 means how much? 2 4? 8. So you have to write 8. 2 minus 2 minus 8. 2 minus 8, how much? Minus 6. So 2 minus square bracket 2 minus minus of minus how much? Plus 6. So 2 minus 2 plus 6 how much? 8. So 2 minus 8 how much? Minus 6 is the answer. Okay, ma'am? Did you understand, children? So these are about the BODMAS rule. Now here bits is there, note is there first. If there is no sign plus, minus, into, divided by between a number and a bracket, it means multiplication. Did you understand? See here. If there is no sign between two numbers, there is no sign. Okay. So what you should do? multiplication. Okay, that is the note. If there is plus sign before a bracket, then the terms in the bracket can be written directly after removing the brackets. If there is minus sign before a bracket, then the terms in the bracket change that sign. So bracket before plus is there means you should write directly. But bracket before minus is there means the sign will be changed. Okay. Next is the bits here. Using BODMAS rule, we should do the bits. Today, level 1 and level 2 you should complete it. Okay? So this is the homework today, children. Did you understand, ma?